Our journey has been long and eventful so far, and now we've reached the final day of the challenge. I'm heading far north from the wild river to the deep forests of the highlands, where the last challenge remains. It's going to be a long walk, but I must push onwards, despite all challenges that I may face. This is the grand finale of the 4-day Wild Camping Survival Challenge. Just been following this country path here, and there's no buildings around here for absolute miles. Oh, there's some deer there. Yeah, I hope I got that on film. Yeah, I think that it looked like a white-tailed deer. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. And then it looked like there was a little rabbit or hare following it. Cool. That's when you know we out here in the wild. Yeah, it's just something so nice and so tranquil, just being on your own. It's heartwarming, you know. As to what we have planned for today, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be spending the night in a makeshift shelter. Just absolute vast hills and forests around here. Check it. Man, I feel like I've just reached like the end of the earth or something. Look. The weather's so nice at the moment. It's just like a gentle heat. Clear skies. Just sort of take a quick little break in this area. I've been walking for hours now, honestly. I feel like I'm in a desert now. Need to find a good source of water. Literally just like open plains and just the sun is just like beaming down still. After 4 hours of walking in the intense sun, I finally managed to find some fresh spring water. You do not understand how long I've been looking for water, guys. I finally found fresh spring water. That's how clear it is. I'll still put a purification tab in to be safe. Oh, so good. Just drank that whole bottle, filled up another one. Oh my god, I needed that. Bloody hell. So long without water. We are in the sticks. finally got our spot. Let's get busy. Well, after all that, I reckon it's time to get the fire started. And today we'll be cooking corned beef hash. Here we go. Bon appetit. Stunning.
Just got the fire going again, ready for tonight.
Well, I'm all geared up. I've got my waterproof jacket and I've got my trousers all tucked in. I'll stick some gloves on. I bet there's going to be an army of ants when I wake up, but we'll see. Well guys, that is me done for the day. What a nice way to end it, with a good old fire. And a lovely meal. We'll see you in the morning. Well, I am pleased to say it is the morning and we have done it. We stayed overnight in the makeshift shelter. And yeah, it's raining now, but I only felt like a minimal few drops of rain. I'm not soaked at all. Yeah, and I slept quite well actually. Well, I did wake up twice in the night, and then I was literally getting some of the rocks around the fire and cuddling them, literally sticking them around me and just hugging them because it's so nice and warm. Got like 8-9 hours sleep in total, so that's pretty good. Let me try and crawl out this thing. Oh. There we go. Some of the moss come off, and this is where my feet were. I was sort of kicking through a little bit just so I can lay down like straight. But yeah, other than that, it kind of held. I reckon I'm going to make a nice coffee now.
After a freezing cold night, it was time to say goodbye to the makeshift shelter. And I was very pleased to say that I slept inside it overnight. And now I'm heading back to the nearest town, which is approximately 5 hours away. But I made myself a lovely coffee and I put it inside my insulated bottle for the journey back. This adventure has been both mentally and physically challenging, with painstaking injuries, but this has been an experience like no other, which I will never forget for the rest of my life. And I can certainly say that the Highlands is a place which I would love to come back to. And now my luck was really starting to show, as I stumbled into patch after patch of chanterelles. And check out the size of this one. More chanterelles, and more chanterelles. And finally, I reached the nearest town and headed to my hotel where I'll stay before I go home. But this journey isn't over just yet.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we'll be doing some clay pigeon shooting! Whoa.
You ready?
Ready.
Look at the target. That's lovely.
Yeah.
Look at him. Nice, good.
Yeah. Just too high.
There you went back. Big. Lovely, that's nice.
Whoa.
You get you.
Nearly in the box.
Gently. Good. Point in front.
Yeah.
Nice. Now simultaneous. You ready?
Ready.
Gently. Up there. Oh yeah. Hey, go for it. Go on, we got to do that again because we enjoyed that.
Yeah, that was all good.
Last pair.
Yes,
Last
sir.
pair.
All right.
Same again. You ready?
Ready.
Gently pass. Up there in front.
Yeah. Thank you so much. It's been an absolute pleasure.
After the shooting, I made a lovely meal with foraged mushrooms and got myself an iron brew before travelling back home.